Hi there! Let's learn about meshing strategies in Inspire Cast. With Inspire Cast's multiple meshing strategies, you can handle poorly defined geometries more effectively, especially when mesh generation is challenging. In the Preferences menu, you can select from various meshing strategies to best suit your needs. By default, the mesh is congruent, meaning it maintains continuity and alignment between different bodies, ensuring a seamless connection. If meshing issues arise, an alternative strategy called alternative mesh can be used. This approach allows for non-congruent meshes between different bodies, making it easier to handle complex and poorly defined geometries. The alternative meshing factor ranges from 0 to 1 and controls the wrap mesh. A lower value reduces the gap between bodies, resulting in a finer mesh with more elements. Though this meshing strategy creates a gap between the bodies, it does not affect the results, as the bodies remain virtually connected. In addition to the alternative mesh, you can also select the voxel mesh strategy. You can choose from different voxel mesh options or specify a custom voxel size. This approach generates voxel-based meshes instead of tetrahedral ones, simplifying the meshing process without compromising the accuracy of the results. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Altair How To for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.